Hey there guys, Chet here. Sometimes when brainstorming, ideas pile up and get messy, making it hard to organize them clearly. I wanted to see if AI tools could help streamline that process, so I tested out 4 big names in the mind mapping world. In this video, I'll break down what each tool does well, where they fall short, and which one I think is the best choice for your next project. So without further delay, let's get started. First, let's take a closer look at Miro. Miro is often recognized as one of the leading platforms in the online whiteboarding space, and it's widely used by teams for brainstorming, planning, and visual collaboration. While Miro offers many features beyond mind mapping, its mind mapping capabilities are still pretty impressive. What stands out about Miro is how flexible the platform is. It gives you access to a wide range of templates, including blank boards, Kanban boards, flowcharts, and brain writing formats. This flexibility means that you're not locked into just one style of mapping. You can shape your board in whatever way suits your creative or project needs. Also, Miro's AI-assisted tools can automatically generate diagrams and layouts, which can help jumpstart your process. But while this feature is useful, it's important to recognize that the AI-generated maps often come out fairly simple. You'll usually need to step in and manually add layers, adjust subtopics, and fine-tune the structure to make the mind map truly reflect your goals. Plus, Miro's strength in visual expansion cannot be ignored. You can easily insert sticky notes, text boxes, freehand drawings, and connect shapes with arrows or lines. However, because Miro is designed as a broad whiteboarding tool and not just mind mapping platform, you might find yourself sifting through extra features that you don't need, which can slightly slow down your workflow if your focus is purely on mapping. In addition, Miro offers strong real-time collaboration, making it ideal for teams working together remotely. Everyone can jump into the same board, make edits, leave comments, and brainstorm collectively. But if you are an individual user looking for something mind map specific, you might feel that Miro's wide scope of tools is a bit much and could make things more complex than necessary. Second, we have XMind, a platform that's been well loved in the mind mapping community for years. XMind focuses more narrowly on delivering a clean, polished, and distraction-free experience. Unlike Miro, which tries to cover a broad range of visual work, XMind keeps things centered around structured, good-looking mind maps. XMind's interface is one of its biggest strengths. It's minimal, intuitive, and very easy to navigate, making it a great option even for people who are brand new to mind mapping tools. The platform offers an online version and a desktop app, giving users flexibility depending on how they like to work. Furthermore, XMind integrates AI-powered features that help generate related ideas and explanations. Features like Grow Ideas can automatically expand your central topic into multiple branches, giving you quick suggestions to broaden your map. But just like Miro, the suggestions can feel somewhat basic or generic, so you'll often need to go in manually and refine the details to make sure that everything connects meaningfully to your unique project. Plus, one of XMind's most appealing aspects is its selection of visual styles and layouts. You can easily switch between trees, fishbone diagrams, and logic charts, giving you control over how you present your ideas. This makes XMind a strong choice for users who want both form and function, combining clear visuals and structured mapping. In addition, XMind's simplicity is both a strength and a limitation. While it's excellent for straightforward mind maps, it doesn't offer as many integrations or advanced export options as some of the other platforms. If you're looking for a tool that ties into broader project management or presentation tools, XMind may feel a bit isolated. Next up, we have Lucidchart. Lucidchart is a platform that many people associate with professional diagramming, flowcharts, and process maps, but it also includes solid mind mapping tools. The platform is built with teams in mind, focusing heavily on real-time collaboration, shared editing, and cloud integration. Lucidchart's mind mapping features work well within its larger suite of diagramming tools. You can create basic maps, expand nodes, and connect topics visually, all within a familiar, well-organized workspace. The platform's drag and drop tools make building and adjusting your map easy, even if you are new to mind mapping software. Plus, Lucidchart's AI integration enhances the process by providing smart suggestions to expand your map. As you input your main topics, the AI offers new branches, connections, and ideas that help add depth to your brainstorming. But as with the other platforms, these AI suggestions still need human editing to ensure they stay relevant and meaningful to your specific needs. Furthermore, Lucidchart excels when it comes to customization and integration. You can resize shapes, color code connections, and add comments or notes to provide extra context. Plus, Lucidchart supports integration with external tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams, making it a seamless fit for teams that need to collaborate across multiple platforms. In addition, Lucidchart's broad focus means that its mind mapping tools can sometimes feel just like one piece of a much larger puzzle. While this is great if you need multiple types of diagrams or project plans, it can feel like overkill if you're only interested in mind mapping. You might end up paying for features that you don't actually need or navigating through extra menus that don't directly serve your mapping goals. Okay, next up we have eDrawMind, which turned out to be the surprise winner in this comparison. eDrawMind is designed as a fully dedicated mind mapping platform, offering features and depth that the other tools just don't match. From the start, it's clear that eDrawMind prioritizes flexibility, customization, and depth, making it an incredibly powerful tool for users who want more than just basic brainstorming app. Now, eDrawMind's AI tools go beyond simple suggestions. They generate structured subtopics, related questions, and priority lists that help organize your brainstorming into clear, actionable steps. This makes it much easier to translate loose ideas into well-organized frameworks that can actually guide your work forward. eDrawMind also offers a wide range of visual layouts, including tree maps, timelines, organizational charts, fishbone diagrams, and more. You can switch between layouts at any time, giving you full control over how your information is presented. This adaptability is a massive plus when you're working on complex projects that need to be communicated in different ways. One of eDrawMind's most impressive features is its multi-format export system. With just a few clicks, you can transform a mind map into a Kanban board, an outline, or even a polished slide presentation. This seamless workflow really saves huge amounts of time and eliminates the need to jump between separate tools just to prepare a final deliverable. Plus, if that weren't enough, eDrawMind includes additional layers of customization like numbering topics, assigning priorities, and automatically generating structured outlines from your maps. None of the other tools in this review offered the same level of flexibility or depth. eDrawMind is a true all-in-one solution that moves effortlessly from idea generation to project execution, making it the standout performer in this group. Now, after carefully comparing all four platforms, eDrawMind clearly emerges as the top pick. While Miro, XMind, and Lucidchart each bring unique strengths to the table, they also come with limitations. Miro is versatile, but can feel scattered. XMind is polished, but somewhat limited, and Lucidchart is highly collaborative, but may include too many unrelated features. In contrast, eDrawMind offers the strongest combination of AI-driven idea expansion, deep customization, multi-layout flexibility, and seamless export options. It's not just a brainstorming tool, it's a full project companion that helps you take ideas from concept to completion without needing extra software or workarounds. Plus, the platform's robust features make it adaptable to all kinds of users, from students and solo entrepreneurs to large project teams and professional designers. If you're mapping out business strategies, academic projects, product roadmaps, or creative campaigns, eDrawMind gives you the tools to get the job done quickly and effectively. If you're looking for a mind mapping tool that delivers both power and ease of use, eDrawMind is absolutely worth trying. Its unmatched flexibility and seamless workflow make it a top-tier choice in the world of AI-enhanced mind mapping. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd like for you to drop a comment below and let me know which tool you're thinking of trying. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.